Space and Beyond box is landed. August collection is back with a box that is out of this world. This quarter's theme is all about the red planet. The Mars collection features 6 unique items either selected or created by the team behind astronomy. Plus, this box includes something extra special, a first ever product partnership between astronomy and Lowell Observatory. The first item is Space Particles, Mars Edition, with articles covering life on Mars, exploration of the red planet, and the interesting life of Percival Lowell. You'll also learn about the products in the box and get access to an exclusive discount at our online store, myscienceshop.com. Then we have a truly unique and exclusive product, a 3D model of the Jezero Crater. Explore the Mars 2020 rover landing site in detail with this 3D printed model and informational card. The next item celebrates Mars missions in 2020. The Mars 2020 Insignia Pin was created by JPL and features the iconic Mars Exploration Program image. Then we have Regolith Simulant from Jezero Crater. This mixture of dust, soil, and other organic materials was engineered from Earth to be identical to the location of the Perseverance rover's landing site on Mars. Up next, we have a high-quality atlas featuring Mars. The Mars Pocket Atlas features 60 pages of detailed maps, plus thematic and global maps and a full calendar. And finally, we have the highly anticipated product from Astronomy Magazine and Lowell Observatory. For the first time ever, we've partnered with this highly regarded institution to create a custom 6-inch globe featuring Percival Lowell's 1911 map of Mars. This sepia-toned globe features historical drawings from the archives of Lowell Observatory. This quarterly astronomy and space-themed subscription box includes 6 to 8 high-quality items selected by the team at Astronomy Magazine with feedback from our SBB community. Each box is $49.95 and has a value of over $80. Subscribe or give a gift today. Plus, for a limited time, get free shipping and a bonus gift, an exclusive Campo del Cielo meteorite from Astronomy Magazine. Each one-of-a-kind meteorite is enclosed in a protective case with a display stand and certificate of authenticity. We're very excited about the Mars collection and would love to hear what you think of the newest collection or any of our past boxes. Visit us on Facebook or Instagram and tag us as @SpaceandBeyondBox or #BeyondTheBox. The Mars collection is only available for a limited time. Visit us at spaceandbeyondbox.com to subscribe. Plus, subscribe today and get free shipping and a bonus gift.